Spring cleaning usually starts with closets, but for most businesses, the real clutter is hiding somewhere else. Old laptops, retired equipment, forgotten drives, all sitting quietly, waiting to be dealt with later. Here's the problem. That old technology isn't just clutter. It can still hold data, still have access, still create risk. At Mirrored Storage, we see this all the time. Businesses plan how they buy technology, but rarely plan how they retire it. Start simple. Take inventory. What do you actually have? You can't protect what you haven't identified. Next, decide where it goes. Reuse, recycle, or securely destroy. Then prepare it properly. Deleting files isn't enough. If data isn't securely wiped, it's still there. Finally, document everything, where it went, and how it was handled. And don't forget the hidden risks. Phones, printers, and old drives often hold more data than you think. But this isn't just about cleaning up. It's about asking, is your technology helping your business or just taking up space? At Mirrored Storage, we help businesses turn cleanup into clarity. If you're reviewing old equipment, it's the perfect time to look at the bigger picture. Schedule a quick, no-pressure discovery call.